I challenge you to go all in on digital products for the next 90 days and watch what happens to your income. Here's what I've seen over and over again. Someone gets excited, they throw together a product, they post about it a few times, and when they don't see sales in the first week, they quit. And then they tell themselves, the market's too crowded, it doesn't work for me. They tell themselves that they're not the right person for this. And then they go back to scrolling. But the people who stick with it for just 90 days, that's where everything clicks. That's when sales begin to start compounding. That's when you wake up to notifications that someone bought your product at 2 a.m. in the morning while you're asleep and you just made passive income for the first time in your life. And in this video, I'm gonna break down exactly what to do each month for the next 90 days. How do you pick your product? How do you launch it? How do you optimize it so it actually turns into a profitable business? Not just some side project, side hustle, a real business that prints money for you. And this isn't theory. I've helped over 5,000 people do this. This system behind it has generated me personally over $30 million in digital product sales across niches that most people wouldn't even think of. Productivity, fitness, video game coaching, how to make friends, you name it. I've watched this play out hundreds of times. So what I want you to focus on is just 3 months of focused effort that could change everything for you. So if you're tired of thinking of this and you're actually ready to build something that makes you money without you trading every hour of your day for it, this is your roadmap. But first, why are we even talking about digital products over everything else? You see, there's a lot of ways to make money online, and not every single one of them is equally as good. So let me save you the time of wondering whether you're on the right path. The first option a lot of people go for is one-on-one services or coaching only. And there's value in doing that, but you're already working a busy 9 to 5, you're running an existing business. The core problem is you're still trading time for money. Your income will tap out. There's only so many hours that you can work on top of your full-time job, spending time with your family, whatever your current responsibilities are. And the more you push, the faster you burn out. The second option is selling physical products or e-commerce. Not a terrible model, but there's so much more involved than what people realize. There's inventory, there's shipping, there's thin margins, returns, refunds, people saying that they never even received their package. So therefore you have to send another one. That kills your margins. You might make a decent amount of revenue, meaning top line sales, but what you keep in your pocket, the profit, is often little to none. And for someone who's just getting started, it's not a great return on your time. And the third is traditional affiliate marketing. And I want to be very specific here because there's one important distinction. Traditional affiliate marketing is when you promote physical products, laptops, clothing, supplements, and you earn a small commission. We're talking 3, maybe 10% commission. So let's say you sell a $1,000 laptop, 4% commission, you make $40. You're building someone else's brand, the commissions are low, and you're constantly chasing the next sale just to keep the lights on. Now, there is a version promoting other people's products that actually works, but instead of physical products with tiny commissions, you promote other people's digital products, high ticket offers that pay 50, 80, sometimes even 90% commissions. And here's the best part, you don't make the product yourself. You don't handle any customer service, you just get it in front of the right people. And because it's digital, business owners can pay significantly higher because the product cost is little to none. And so if you're a complete beginner and you don't have even a product idea yet, this is going to be hands down the best starting point for you. Now, I have a full training on exactly how this works. I'll put it in the first link in the description. Feel free to watch that video once you're done with this one. But for this video, I want you to focus on the path where you create and sell your own digital product. Because when you own the product, you control everything: the pricing, the brand, the customer relationship, the back end, and that's where the real long-term leverage is. And then there's ad revenue or sponsorships. The problem there is you need a massive audience first. It's algorithm dependent. Sponsors aren't going to work with someone who has a small following. They might send you some free product, sure, but the free product doesn't pay the bills. Not a realistic starting point. So here's why digital products win. You create your product once, one time. You have no inventory, there's no shipping, there's no limit on how many you can sell. It's just a matter of getting it in front of more people. And unlike other business models, you have a 90% plus profit margin. With physical products, you might keep 10, maybe 20%. With digital, almost everything you make is yours. You sell while you sleep. Someone can buy your product at 3 a.m. in the morning and they'll get instant access to it without you doing a thing, as long as you have the right tools in place, which we'll talk about in a minute. And you can start with what you already know. No new certifications, no special degrees. You just package up expertise you already have into something that people are willing to pay for. And the best part is it scales with your audience. Now, whether you have 100 followers or you have 100,000, only gets better the more you grow. All right, so now you know exactly why digital products are the move. Let's map out exactly what those next 90 days are going to look like. First, you got to remember there is no such thing as an overnight success story, but it also doesn't have to take 10 years like what people think. With the right approach, you can have a product created and selling profitably in 90 days or less. So let's get into it. Month 1 is focused on the foundation. The main thing you're doing this month is picking your first product idea. What do you know? And I promise you, there is so much you already know how to do that other people would pay to learn. You're just not seeing it yet. The best way to think about it is this: whatever you're doing at your job right now, whatever skill that you've built through life, that's something that you can package up as a digital product, a PDF guide, a cheat sheet, a mini 15-minute course, a template pack, something really simple. And your first version doesn't even have to be perfect. It just has to solve a real problem for real people. Now, I want to show you how wide open this really is because most people underestimate what counts as valuable knowledge. knowledge. One of my students, Tanner, he was driving groceries for Instacart and Uber Eats. He was not a business owner, he was not an expert, but he figured out how to be incredibly productive with his time. So he packaged it into simple productivity offer and made $8,000 in 2 weeks. Matt was working a regular 9-to-5 job. His thing, he was genuinely really good at making friends with people, not romantic relationships, just good friendships. And that's something that people genuinely struggle with. People move to a new city, they're introverted, they're a little shy, and they just don't know how to build a social circle. He created a digital product around that, and he made $7,000 in 30 days while still working his day job. These aren't people with fancy credentials or big followings. They just looked at what people already knew. They found people who needed that knowledge, and then they packaged it up. So how do you know if people actually want what you have? You talk to them. You make a list of every skill that you have, every piece of knowledge that you've built up, and then you have real conversations. You ask people, what are you struggling with? What would you pay to learn? What problem keeps coming back? My recommendation, make it small and very specific. Do not try to build some massive course right out of the gates. Solve it simply. That's your MVP, your minimum viable product. And your goal for month 1 is to simply have something ready to sell, even if it's small. You might end up with multiple product ideas, and that's great. Test them. See what resonates. That moves us into month 2, the launch phase. This is where you set up your checkout, your delivery system, and you make sure that when someone wants to buy, they can actually pay you. And then when they pay you, they immediately get access to what they purchased. This is where having the right tools matters more than people realize. Here's the thing. The whole advantage of a digital product business is the profit margin. But if you're paying an arm and a leg for a platform just to host and sell your product before you've even made your first sale, you're eating into that margin before you even get started. That's backwards. What you want is something simple. You upload your product, someone buys it, they get it delivered to their email automatically, and you get paid. No manual fulfillment, no chasing people, no complicated tech setup. And that's exactly how Allen.store works. It's what my students and I use. You upload your product, it generates your sales page, handles the checkout, delivers everything automatically when someone buys, and you can have multiple products on there as you build out more offers over time. And you're not bleeding money on costly monthly subscriptions while you're still figuring things out. The tool should make your life easier, not become another expense so you're stressed out. So whatever platform you use, make sure it's not working against you financially when you're just starting out. So once your product lives on Allen.store, your goal for month 2 is simple. Launch it to your existing audience. Now, I don't care how small the audience is. It could be literally 4 people, which by the way, one of my clients literally made a sale with just 4 followers. Another one of my students, Lila, with only 52 followers, made her first $1,000 in pure profit. You do not need that many followers. And your Instagram followers and your Facebook friends, it could literally be people you went to high school with. It doesn't matter. You just got to put it out there. The goal is just to get your first customers, the first real feedback. Are people actually finding this helpful? What questions are they asking? What did they wish was included? And here's the biggest mistake I see at this stage. People don't talk about their product enough. They mention it maybe once, twice, and then they wonder why no one's buying. You need to show up consistently, talk about it, show people what's inside, explain exactly who it's for and what problem it solves. Do that for an entire 30 days. And if you get to 5 to 10 sales after talking about it consistently, that has validated your idea. It means your concept works. And now you have something real to build on. 5 sales might not sound like a lot, but 5 people paying you real money for something you created, that changes the way that you see yourself. You stop being someone who's thinking about starting a business and you become someone who actually has a real business. And that brings us to month 3, the phase of optimization. Let's say your product was validated. You got some sales, people are positively responding. Now you make the whole thing better. Let me tell you how fast this can snowball when you do it right. One of my students, Lucas, who's 19 years old, he loved playing this video game called Rocket League. A lot of young people do. He turned that into a coaching product. In his first 40 days, he made $31,000 in sales. He was not a marketing genius. He just simply had a validated product, he optimized his system around it, and he kept showing up. And that's exactly what month 3 is about. First, improve your product based on feedback you're collecting. For every single person who buys, reach out. How do they like it? Was it helpful? What would make it better? Because the better your product gets, the more exciting people become about it. The more testimonies you collect, the more customers tell their friends, and those customers can become your affiliates, people who actively promote your product because they get a cut of every sale that they refer. Think about it. Even if you only had 10 customers and 2 of them just refer 1 person each, that's 2 sales that you did not have to work for at all. They make money, you make money, and you did not have to grow your audience at all to make it happen. You're leveraging the work that you've already done. The second thing you want to do in month 3 is to optimize your funnel. This is what separates people who make little money from people who build a real business. Here's what I mean. Let's say your product right now is $50. Right now, every customer is worth $50. But what if you added a small order bump? Something small, simple, 15, 20 bucks that complements the main product. Think of it like a checkout aisle at the grocery store. You're already buying, there's something that's relevant sitting right there as an easy yes. And a lot of people will grab it. Then after they purchase, instead of a basic confirmation page, you hit them with an upsell, something deeper, maybe a more advanced version of what they just bought, or a community or a higher level program. The price on that can be $100, $200, even more. Now your average customer is not worth $50 anymore. They might be worth $150 $150, $250, even more without a single new follower. Now you're making significantly more money from the same people. That's real leverage right there. From there, you start thinking bigger. What's the next product? How do you keep scaling? But the core goal for month 3 is getting consistent sales flowing through a system that multiplies every transaction. Now, if you're sitting here thinking, my niche is too saturated, let me reframe that. Anytime a niche feels saturated, it actually means that there's a lot of people out there buying. It's proven demand, and there's absolutely room for your perspective. People don't just buy information, they buy from people that they connect with. They're looking for someone who understands their specific situation, who speaks their language. You can be that person. Maybe you're thinking, well, I'm not tech savvy enough. If you have the right tools, you don't have to be. The tools that exist today are simpler than they've ever been online. You don't need to know how to build a website. You don't need to understand payment processing. You need the right platform that handles all that for you. And if you're thinking, but I don't have any following, who says you need one? You don't need a single follower to start, because AI will make all the content for you and go out and find hungry customers. When I was just getting started, I was a broke college student at UCLA. I was working for minimum wage, 0 followers, 0 business experience. I created a productivity course and I did $500,000 in my first year. I did not have a massive platform. I had a good product, the right system, and I just showed up consistently. That's the formula. And if I could do it from there, broke, no audience, no experience, you can do it where you're starting right now. And now, having watched over 5,000 students do this, from stay-at-home moms to nurses to 19-year-olds to people working 9 to 5s, they just can't simply stand. I can tell you with certainty, if you commit to 90 days of focused effort, you will be further than you ever imagined. So here's what I want you to do right now. If you're someone who's been thinking about this for a while, watching videos, researching business models, waiting for the right time, this is your moment to stop consuming and start building. Remember what I mentioned earlier about not needing to build your own product to get started? I put together a full training that breaks down exactly how my top students and I are using AI product arbitrage to build real income without ever needing to build their own products. In fact, I even show you exactly how to find high converting, high commission products using AI in a free organic strategy. I give you the full system, the tools, step by step, no fluff. That training is the first link in the description. I'll also put it right here. And whether you want to start with arbitrage or building your own product, this masterclass will show you exactly how to get moving so that 90 days from now, you're not thinking about this, you're living it. The next 90 days are going to pass no matter what. The only question is whether you have something to show for it. This is the simplest path I've ever seen to building real income online. It works. I've lived through it. I've watched it work thousands of times. So go ahead, tap this right here, and I'll see you on the training on the other side.